Alright everyone, so I'm making this video really fast and quick because I've been busy all day, and at the same time I got this update and I have to just drop it to the community and show you guys. So, and at the same time I'm using this medium to say happy birthday to a mentor, a brother, a father, who the guy who actually made Forex trading actually a source for me and actually changed my life. I'm saying happy birthday to you, God bless you, and happy birthday, long life and prosperity. Wish you long life, happy birthday, enjoy your day, bro. And so at the same time, so without wasting time, I'm actually going to be dropping a link in the comment section which you can just click on. So the link will actually take you to my Telegram group where you get to see full access and full instruction about how to go about this bonus right here. So if you click on the link in the Telegram group in the comment section, it takes you to my Telegram group where you see the link to the site right here. This site right here will be giving you a free $100 deposit bonus without in deposit. You're not needing in deposit, but at the same time you need to verify your details. So the fact you're actually going to need to verify your details is what is actually going to take a little bit of your time. So at the same time, I'm not assuring you you're actually going to be getting the bonus today, but at the same time you'll be getting the bonus for sure because I got it and there's no issue about this. But the only issue you might have is the fact that you might not get verified the same day because it took like at least it took like let's say 24 hours. It took me 24 hours before I got verified. So once you get to this section, having these details shown on your screen, you need to select individual. You open an account for individual right here. You input your first name, your last name, input your email address, and you create a password. And if you scroll down a little bit more, you see where a section where you select the country where you're from, the country code. So once you select those sections, all you need to do is you just click on register. So right here you can see get started right here, right here, and you accept the terms and conditions. Now immediately you log into the site, you'll be having this right here on the screen. Just select USDT mobile payment. For that's what you actually be needing later when you want to actually make withdrawal. And for the account type, you select standard, and you need to just create a live account. So once you create the live account, see right here the amount. All this is just a demo process. Now you can see these three lines at the top. You click on it and click on the option that takes you to where you're actually going to make verification. You see KYC verification process right there, so you click on it, and this section right here is where you're actually going to make verification. You need to submit an image of your ID card, the front and the back. Now to do that, if you scroll up a little bit, see right here that says browser. If you click on it, it takes you to your browser where you get to see image of your image you have in your gallery. So you upload the image of the front side and the back side of your ID card which you want to use for verification, and after that just upload it. You don't need to click on anything to maybe proceed. Immediately you upload it, it has been sent to them. And after the second day in the evening, I did this early in the morning, and in the second day around 12, I got this email that I've been verified, and you can see the details. And the next thing after this, and you've already created a live account at the very beginning. All you need to do is to click on the three lines again and go to their support. So once you go to their support, take a copy of your account number before going to the support. You'll be leaving a message to them in the support. Go to the support and leave a message to them that you would love to get the $100 deposit bonus into this account, the live account which you created. You leave a message you would love to get the $100 deposit bonus. Now after dropping the message, you just need to add the account number at the end. So that's the account you'll be getting the $100 into. And like I said before, there's no deposit into this before you can place withdrawal from this bonus. You don't need any deposit. So once you send the message to them, after like 30 minutes, I got my account credited, and I'll be showing you right here. So once you go back to the main menu after like 30 minutes, the IES is 30 minutes. Like I already got it, but I didn't quickly not check my email to get the full details. I already got it before even 30 minutes. Now see right here in the main menu, if you go to the main menu and you refresh your balance, you should be having something like this in the equity. Now you need to go to your email address to get login details, which will be taken to your MT4 MT5 based on the account which you selected. Now if you go to your email address, you should be having details like this. Now you can see this right here is the login details which I got, and I just need to take it to the MT5. So you get, so once you get to the MT5, you just need to put in your login details, and immediately you put in your login details, I'll be showing you process on how to go about MT5 for those who are just joining. So once you get to MT5, you just need to take this login details to your MT5, and once you get there, see I copied the account number and the server right here. See the name of the server is Spectral Global. All you just need to do is go to your MT5. Now input the login details into your MT5. So right here, you paste the name of the server, and into this section you put in the account number which was sent to you and the password you should use in registering. So once you get there and you click on all this, you just click on login, and you'll be having the $100 right here. You see it's showing 0. That's because that's the balance, and the equity is 100, the credit is 100. Everything is ready. You can place trade immediately. So once you have this ready, I'll be telling you the terms and conditions in the next minute. But once you have this ready, you can place trade immediately. So since we have this already, all you need to do is to just start trading and meet the requirements. And for the terms and conditions, I sent my chat with their support to the Telegram group, and there they actually mentioned the terms and conditions. You can just go straight to the Telegram group to get it, and make sure you have a clear understanding about the terms and conditions, so you can know where to place withdrawal and when to make all the necessary process you need. And say as I just placed an order and it's already running. So have a nice day, and don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section when you get it. Have a nice day, guys.